Okay, time to be a damn killer again. I'm apparently the cook. Could I be someone else? Could I be the hitchhiker? I enjoy being the hitchhiker, sir. Could I be the hitchhiker? Character swap request completed? Oh, thank you. Thank you, good sir. I have 4 points as hitchhiker. You deal more damage on low stamina. Maximum blood storage capacity. Give me maximum blood storage capacity. Give me a couple more points. We're gonna put that into... Sure, you know what? I'm gonna go full blood harvesting mode. Stamina consumption reduced when carrying a blood vial which is full. After recovering from being stunned, victim is highlighted. Yeah, nobody cares about that. Maximum blood storage capacity increased by 10%. Yeah, I like that. Done, I'm ready. Bro, this guy is level 39. What the hell? Yo, we win these? Oh my god, look at the level of the killers. I am the lowest level here? Bro, I'm gonna get washed. I am going to get insanely washed.
Believed to be responsible for multiple stranglings in East
Oh,
Texas
they found him?
is finally in custody tonight. Authorities followed a tip that led them to a deserted motel outside Bryan, where they caught the man in the act of subduing 36-year-old Kelsey Keogh. The man, whose name is being withheld, claimed he and Kelsey
Feed Grandpa.
upon Ray, and that he had no connection to the murders that have plagued the eastern part of the state since last June.
Alright, we gotta watch all of this while the victims escape. You can hear them around there. Yeah, you're good, buddy.
This is gonna be fun. Lots of fun.
Alright, so here we have a generator. Gonna put a trap right there.
You'll never see this at the Always Works.
Where else? They're running away from someone, they might come here. That might help someone.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
You know what? As soon as they try and enter or exit this door,
Grandpa taught me this little trick.
well, there are 2, but it's fine, right? And they're out already, okay. Well, I've prepped the best I could. Lock your ass. Gotta be some victims around here.
Keep away from her.
Okay, lag. Anybody over here? I know I'm just kind of walking around, but kind of like my area, you know? Although with no exits or with no entrances here. I don't know how they would get here. What the hell is going on? Close it. Lock me.
I know Grandpa thinks I'm the best. The best.
Who immobilized Grandpa? Think I should like head over there? Probably, right? Alright, alright.
Well, I'm sick of eating scraps. We gotta find them.
I heard one of them. Someone said stay hidden or some shit. Hello, sirs. Oh, that's one of mine. I know there's dudes around here.
That's the fun part.
Oh, you're screwed, my man.
Tastes good, don't it?
Yo, how can he run forever, bro?
Grandpa ain't able. He was the best there ever was. Just die, asshole! Wanna play a hidey game, huh? All right. Hey.
Bro. Bro, I cannot catch this man. Bloody hell.
Well, ain't you shifty? Like me. Where'd you scurry off to now?
Oh, bloody hell. Oh, what the hell? Who did this?
Why I gotta do everything in this family?
Bro, I'm lost. They're all gonna get out.
I was just playing. Where'd you go? Why you running?
Bro!
I'm tired of messing with you. You get out of here. You're gonna peter out soon. It always happens. You freak.
I bet they're all gone. Bro, what the hell was wrong with these killers?
I have to. Maybe I can move. You better get out or you'll get it worse.
Our killers are so bad.
Here you go, Grandpa.
Like, I was hunting, I knew these guys were here, I couldn't do anything. What the hell is wrong with this hitchhiker? What happened to the other, like, one of the killers is gone, obviously.
Why is this dragging out?
Oh hell, we're gonna lose. I mean, we already lost. I don't know what the fuck to do. Like, they were all in front of me. The other killers wouldn't come. I don't know if that's Grandpa coughing or if it's some freaking person hiding around here. Like, they literally just bullied their way out. Like, what is the point of being the killer?
All you need's a little blood. Perk you right up.
They got him down to level 0, my god. Yes, hello. You went freaking AFK.
Even Grandma was better than my two dang brothers.
Seems like it. They're literally just doing nothing.
You better not be messing with Grandpa. Gonna find yourself in a dinner bucket if you do.
Yes, I'll get to collecting blood. No one else seems to want to do anything about it. Oh great, basement exit is open. And he's gonna just run out of the basement. Okay, I saw him. Oh, why did I search? I thought this was a way to get through there. I got you now. Or I lost you, I don't know. Right, she's right here, bro. Leatherface. Where's my stamp, brother? Oh, great. Well, she's back in the fucking basement. If I can remember where the hell the entrance was. Oh, there you go, you got her. Idiot killers, bro. They did nothing. I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to do alone. Wow, I had no points. How did I have no points? I was chasing them all the time. This is impossible to even catch them. It's horrible. And I stabbed a bunch of them. Not that it would matter at all. I had 3 of them in front of me. If Leatherface would have come over, there would have been some nice kills for him. But he just, I don't know what the hell he was doing. Oh, why am I the damn killer again? Well, such was my life, I guess. Reach like a savagery status so low. Predator is trying to stalk and hope out anyone who sees weaker than him, expand the hurt, hunt ever see fresh tracks, follow trails of victims. Dawn is the most unpredictable, often clashing with the clan's base, which seems more impossible. You know what? No, I'll continue being this guy, even if it kills me. I'm out of freaking skill points. Great, of course I am. Screw blood harvesting.
Good luck, have fun.
Give me savagery. Oh, it just what internet ping times are too much? I don't know what these people want from me, bro. Now we gotta wait again. I was gonna be a killer. Extra bonuses. If his chainsaw does more damage when it is hot, but it is prone to overheating. Yeah, I don't know. The killers can't kill, is what I can see right now. I need to get like a bunch of hits off, and they just keep juking me in circles like it's crazy. Blood buckets can be highlighted with focus ability. They refill over time. I am the cook. Higher than his endurance, which are very low. He's ranch lady. I don't want to be the cook with Hotan endurance, bro. What can he do? Listen for noisy victims. Alright, I guess I'll listen for noisy victims. What level are the victims? Oh, bro, they are insanely high. Look at the level of the killers. What is this? 11, 4, and 0? No way. We fail. We fail here. What is wrong with these levels, bro? What do I do? After being hit by a sneak attack, recovering from being stunned, stamina consumption is reduced by 5%. Easier said than done? Sure, buddy. Easier said than done then. You can modify it. Increase detection range, victim detection rate increase. Successfully highlighted victims stay hang on. Focusing in on victim takes half as long. Pinpointing, how do you pinpoint location? Highlighted victims mark for entire family, increase ability bar recharge rate. Who's left? This freaking Anna. A true serial killer. Hunt ability, see fresh tracks, follow trail of victims. Harvesting is fine, but he will never let that get in the way of your savagery. It's exactly what he relishes in. Family full of unpredictable maniacs, Johnny is the most unpredictable of all, often clashing with the clan. Or it can be her again. Have her poisoning shit, but at least I can be good at blood harvesting. All of us are running basic killer builds, and these guys are gonna just be insane. We're gonna get washed, bro. We're gonna get completely decimated again.
Search continues in Muerto County for a missing youth.
Someone will leave, I'm sure.
The sheriff's department says
One of the
William
killers will
Flores,
just leave.
a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. The vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby
Yeah, whatever. Oh, and I start in the damn house too, so that's gonna be great.
Why am I always the one cleaning up these messes? I tell you what, goddamn kids.
Oh, why is this door even locked? Oh, I'm not. I'm in the storefront? The hell is this place? I have never been here before.
Can't focus. Need to clear my head.
Why am I outside the damn property? I don't want to be here. Why would I want to be here? I don't even know where I'm going, bro. Lock. And you know what? Add a freaking padlock. There you go. No escaping from here. I don't even know where here is, but oh, and they are out already. Great. That's good. That's very good. Still don't know where I am. That is a generator. Wow, okay. Add a padlock to this bad boy.
I know you around here somewhere. Can't hear nothing.
Our killers are great.
Can't think straight with all this craziness going on.
I saw someone here. What? The hunt is over. What? Uh, what is going on? I can't do anything. I'm stuck. Everyone bled out, disconnected. Okay, I think I am glitched out. Exit me. Give me another quick match. Bro, I don't know if this game is really good for me right now. If that one match where I got freaking destroyed by just randos just running around me in circles, I hated that. As a killer, I think like they should have more power than that. They can just literally just run forever and you can just not catch them. That just seems crazy to me. Like, is there like they all come out in one area first? Is that how it is? Like they pick a certain area every time the game randomly selects, and then all the victims come out of the basement there? Because there's multiple exits, I know that much. Yo, I want to be Sunny. Did fuck you, man? What the hell? I'm a level 10 Sunny, bro. I don't know how this. What does this person do? Ultimate escape will definitely help, but temporarily reducing stamina drain, making her harder to track. For a mad dash to safety. Or I can be Connie. Crack a lock instantly? Okay, make me freaking Connie then. It's the daytime too, so that's horrible for us. What is this? What is this ability? Like I play Sunny, man. Level 0. Level 2. Oh my god, they're all crazy. At least they're like around my level. Right? Okay, this guy is freaking 26. It just seems insane that he can be in our lobby. Everyone just level up, brother. What's taking so damn long? Insane, man. Insane how long it takes.
Colton Reservoir was put on hold when city workers discovered the remains of more than a dozen animal corpses. The bodies are reported as being in various states of mutilation.
Stay quiet and hidden.
Carcasses are from
Find useful items.
dogs, with them most likely to be rabid.
Unlock exits.
Caution to refrain from consuming any water sourced
Escape
from
the
the
family.
reservoir and be on
Great.
the lookout for potentially dangerous.
Oh well, me and this guy, the one that I wanted to be, is here. Okay, just make noise, I guess.
Oh my god.
Am I?
I can use that.
Need this. Thank God.
Oh god. Is this human?
Probably.
Oh, Sonny. Thank goodness it's you. I think this is what we use back home. This should help.
You're making noise, dude. Just relax. He's right there.
Please don't let that thing come back.
Can you shut up, lady? Okay, we got an exit right here.
What's that?
Grab an unlock tool and get out of here. Really? Brother, I was grabbing this tool.
I don't know what this is. It might work on those doors.
I wanted bone scrap, but whatever, I guess.
Got this. Oh, Leland, we've got to stay together.
What the hell is wrong with this?
Just keep moving, Connie.
Do you see me? I don't know. There's no way out for this.
Heck is everybody doing? We should have found him by now.
Okay. Hey, he's running around there. Don't know where he is now. He's coming here.
Look, I'm sorry about your friend, but I'm afraid you done landed square dab in the shit house. It's gonna be much more for the worse if the others find you, I promise you that.
Oh my god, how?
Oh, no, no, no. I can't see them. Why won't they leave me alone?
Oh my god. What? Oh, it's lagged out. Well, works for me.
What was that thing? Was that a person?
Go, what are you doing?
They'll be back. I'm sure of it.
not know what I'm doing. I have no key items. And I am teleporting all around the map. Back down I go. I opened the damn thing.
Just go away, damn it.
I can't sprint, bro. You can't close doors. You walk in.
I'm good. I'm good. Just stay calm.
Okay, I need an unlock tool. I need to get out of here again. I mean, I heard it open.
You might still be near.
This it? I don't know where it is.
Come on. Come on. I gotta find something I can use.
Is it over here?
This will help.
I mean, I don't know if it's gonna help. I'm pretty sure I'm just gonna die. Cause I don't know what the hell I'm doing. And I'm lagging and teleporting all over the place. Look at this, I'm stuck in a damn corner. Oh my god.
Sonny, you're here.
Oh great.
Think. Just look around, Connie.
Oh, I'm lagging again, by the way. Look, I can't do anything, I'm lagging. But good thing about lagging is that they can't do anything to me either. Back in the freaking Warrens again. I have no idea where to go. Grab it.
Might fit in the door.
Oh, and now I can't move. Now I literally just cannot move. Oh. Don't know what is going on. We are both here, I see. Murderers? So I'm the last freaking victim. I need to figure out a way over there. What? Wow, okay, great. I was fucking booted again. Bro, it's hard to play like this, man. I'm gonna be honest, really. It's very annoying. Like even wanting to play and then I cannot. Look at this. 2 hour, 2.5 hours I've played and it's garbage. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one perhaps. Let's see if I keep playing this. The servers are just too bad, I think.